Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Now children, in this video, we will continue with the computer keyboard. Let's revise it again first. Okay children, so in previous video, we have learned about the few keys, right? And they are alphabet keys, number keys, caps lock key, enter keys, space bar key. Right children, in previous video we have learned about alphabet keys, number keys, caps lock key, enter keys and space bar key. Right children? Now children, what is a keyboard? A keyboard looks like a typewriter. Now children, see, I told you that there are 104 keys on the keyboard. How many keys are there on the keyboard children? There are total 104 keys on the keyboard. Okay. Now children, first is alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are used to type letters, right? With the help of alphabet keys, we can type words and sentences. And children, there are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. Okay. Now children, next is number keys. Number keys are used to type numbers. There are two sets of number keys on the keyboard. And children, how many number keys are there on the keyboard? There are total 10 number keys on the keyboard from 0 to 9. Okay children? Children, next is caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to type letters in capital. When caps lock is on, letters will appear in capital. And when children caps lock is off, letters will appear in small. Okay children? Children, next is enter key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Children, now what is a cursor? Cursor is a small black line. Cursor is a small black line like this that blinks on the computer screen while typing. Okay children? And children, there are two enter keys on the keyboard. How many enter keys on the keyboard children? There are two enter keys on the keyboard. Okay. Now children, next is space bar key. Space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to insert a blank space between two letters or words. Okay children, so which is the longest key on the keyboard? Space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Okay children? Now children, next is backspace key. Spelling of backspace key: B-A-C-K, back, S-P-A-C-E, space, backspace, K-E-Y, key, backspace, key. Children, this is backspace key. Backspace key helps to erase what we have typed on the screen. It is useful when we type something incorrect. For example, children, in your notebook, if you have write something incorrect, then how you erase that work? You erase that work with the help of eraser, right? Same as children, in the computer, if we have typed something wrong or incorrect, we erase it with the help of backspace key. Okay children? Now see children, here I have written my school name is Doon Valley Public, and I have written the wrong spelling of school. Children, now I want to correct the spelling of school. So children, I want to do the correction in the spelling of school. So children, first I will erase the spelling of school. Now tell me children, which key I will press to erase the spelling? Yes, tell me children, which key I will press to erase the spelling? Very good children. I will press backspace key. See children, I am pressing this backspace key. So children, after pressing the backspace key, incorrect word has removed, right? Now I will write the correct spelling of school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school, full stop. So my school name is Doon Valley Public School. So children, backspace key helps to erase what we have typed on the screen. Okay? Now children, next is delete key. Spelling of delete key: D-E-L-E-T-E, delete, K-E-Y, key. Delete key. Children, this is a delete key. Delete key also helps to erase what we have typed on the screen. See children, backspace key erase the letter to the left of the cursor and delete key erase the letter to the right of the cursor. See children, this small black blinking line is called cursor, right? Now children, if I will press this backspace key, it will erase the letter to the left of the cursor. Okay children? So children, I will press this backspace key. It has erased the letter to the left of the cursor. Okay children? Now I will press this children delete key. Okay, if I press this delete key, it will erase the letter to the right of the cursor. See children, I have pressed the delete key, it will erase the letter to the right of the cursor. If I press backspace key, it will erase the letter to the left of the cursor. Okay children? Now children, next is arrow keys. Spelling of arrow keys: A-R-R-O-W, arrow. K-E-Y-S, keys, arrow keys. Children, these are arrow keys. These are arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 4. So children, there are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. They are used to move the cursor up, down, left and right. Okay children, so there are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. They are used to move the cursor up, down, left and right. Okay children? Children, take out your computer for your notebook. Children, first here you will mention your name and class. Okay children? And here you will write 7th assignment in capital. Done children? Now come to the next line. Children, here you will mention the date. And here you will write H.W. Done children? Now come to the next line. In next line here you will write QUE.1. Question number 1. How many of the following keys are present on the keyboard? Question mark. Match them. Full stop. Children, how many of the following keys are present on the keyboard? You have to match with them. Okay. Children, here spellings of different types of keys has written and here number has written. You have to match it with correct number. Okay children. Now children, first is alphabet keys, number keys, space bar key, arrow keys and enter keys. And children, here in this side number has written 1, 2, 2, 6, 26, 1, 0, 10 and 4. Now children, we will match it. Okay, alphabet keys. Children, how many alphabet keys are there on the keyboard? I told you how many alphabet keys are there on the keyboard. Very good children, there are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. Here it has written 2626. Match it with 2626. Done children? Now next is children number keys. How many number keys are there children? There are 10 number keys on the keyboard from 0 to 9. Here it has written 1 0 10. Match it with 1 0 10. Done children? Now next is children space bar key. Children, how many space bar key is there on the keyboard? Very good children, there is 1 space bar key on the keyboard. Here is 1, so we will match it with 1. Match this space bar key with 1. Done children? Next is arrow keys. So children, how many arrow keys are there on the keyboard? Very good children, 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Match it with 4. Done children? Now next is enter keys. How many enter keys are there on the keyboard children? Very good children, there are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. Match it with 2. Done children? Now come to the next question. In next line you will write QUE.2. Question number 2. Write the names of any four children. Turn the page. So children, question is write the name of any four different types of keys you have read. Full stop. You have to write the name of four different types of keys you have read. Okay children. In next line you will write number 1 alphabet keys. Spelling of alphabet keys ALPHABET. Alphabet KEYS. Keys. Alphabet keys. Done children. Next, number 2 number keys. Spelling of number keys NUMBER. Number KEYS. Keys. Number keys. Done children. Now next is number 3 enter keys. ENTER. Enter. KEYS. Keys. Enter keys. Number 4 delete key. Spelling of delete key DELETE. Delete. KEY. Key. Delete key. Done children. Children, you have to do the same work as I have done in the computer fair notebook, and I request with the parents kindly help your ward to write these questions. So children, in this video we have learned about computer keyboard. Okay children, we'll see you in next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.